So now, guys, that we went over the introduction, I'm about to go over with you guys now how the live TV feature works. So simply click the center button on the Fire Stick remote control to access live TV. When you do so, now it's going to break down in categories. All, so it'll show you every single channel. You have NASCAR, pay-per-view. You have favorites. Notice I have 0 in favorites because I don't have any saved yet. You got channels from the UK, and then I'm going to show down to channels to the US. You have US Entertainment, US Movie Networks, US News Networks, US VIP Entertainment. So I'm going to go there to demonstrate the channels that you actually get. So when I go to USA VIP Entertainment, this is going to give me every channel in the USA from A all the way to Z. All right, that means everything. Right now, I got A&E playing. So if I wanted to record a show on A&E, I would simply hold the center button, and then you'll see start recording pops up at the bottom. Just that simple. Stay tuned to the next video.